This is Outdoor Lodging, and here's three reasons why you must fund our startup. First of all, we have a working minimum viable product. Then we have a successful blue ocean strategy. And finally, we have added a tremendous value to our company. More in detail, our service differentiates from the competition because our wooden cabins feature glass walls, and this allows our customers to connect with nature. Our customers like to take time off the grid and away from their laptops and the busy routine of city life by enjoying the simplicity of wooden cabins away from Wi-Fi routers and TV. Um, our Blue Ocean strategy has proved successful because our sales team has worked tirelessly to reduce cost structure and penetrate the camping market offers with 100 euros a night that is unbeatable. Um, and last but not least, we've added value to our startup by enhancing the simplicity of wooden cabins, maximizing customers' perception and enjoyment of nature's beauty without polluting. Thank you for your time.